There's plenty for everyone. Yes, you are a good goat.
There you go, one stitch at a time.
It's getting easier.
Yes, you are a natural.
The forest always shares its treasures after the rain. Nothing brings people together like a warm meal.
Let's enjoy every bite. I like helping after lunch.
Little helping hands make every job easier.
Listen carefully. Mintitun dampi abhavdi badti nanga. Every rainfall has its own song.
Will it fly someday?
It already flies inside your imagination.
Will it fly someday?
It already flies inside your imagination.
Could you hand me another nail?
Here you go.
These herbs will keep us warm all winter. Dinner will be ready very soon.
Thank you for another wonderful meal.
Let's eat while it's warm.
Sometimes music says more than words.
Fresh mountain herbs always calm the heart.
The air smells wonderfully fresh tonight.
I never want this day to end.
The waterfalls sang quietly beneath the clouds.
Time to rest, little one.
Tomorrow will bring another beautiful rainy day. Outside, the rain continued its gentle lullaby.